Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. Greetings ICSE Grade 10 students and welcome back to Shiksha Marg 108. Today we embark on a scientific odyssey to uncover the fundamental forces that bind atoms together, the realm of chemical bonding. This topic forms the bedrock of chemistry and mastering it is crucial for your upcoming examinations. So prepare your mental breakers and let us begin. Nature of chemical bonding. At its core, chemical bonding arises from the innate desire of atoms to achieve stability. They yearn for a full octet of electrons in their valence shell, and to attain this coveted configuration, they engage in an intricate dance of attraction and repulsion. Types of chemical bonding. Now this dance takes on various forms, each with its own distinct choreography. Let us waltz through the three major types of chemical bonding. Number 1, ionic bonding. Picture an elegant waltz where atoms with vastly different electronegativities gracefully transfer electrons. Metals, the gentlemen, readily relinquish electrons to non-metals, the gracious ladies, resulting in the formation of stable ionic compounds. Think sodium chloride, the quintessential ionic couple. Number 2, covalent bonding. Now step into a lively swing dance where atoms of similar electronegativities share electrons, forming shared pairs that bind them together. These shared pairs resemble the waltzing couples holding hands and swaying to the rhythm of attraction. Covalent bonds, as seen in molecules like water and methane, are the epitome of teamwork in the atomic world. Number 3, metallic bonding. Finally, envision a mosh pit, a chaotic yet cohesive frenzy of positively charged metal ions surrounded by a delocalized sea of electrons. This metallic bond is the lifeblood of metals, granting them their characteristic property like malleability and conductivity. Imagine a sea of electrons perpetually crowd surfing around metal ions. That's the essence of metallic bonding. Bond properties and trends. Each type of bond possesses unique properties like bond strength, polarity, and melting or boiling points. Understanding these trends is key to predicting the behavior of molecules and compounds. For instance, ionic bonds are generally stronger than covalent bonds, while covalent bonds, in turn, are typically more directional and polar than metallic bonds. Application of chemical bonding. Chemical bonding isn't merely an academic pursuit, it's the driving force behind countless real-world applications, from the designs of new material with specific properties to the development of life-saving drugs. Understanding bonding principles is integral to scientific progress. In conclusion, chemical bonding is the invisible tapestry woven across the fabric of the universe. It orchestrates the symphony of molecules, dictates the property of materials, and serves as foundation for all chemical reactions. By comprehending the various forms and the underlying principles, you unlock the secrets of matter itself, gaining a deeper appreciation for the intricate dance of the atomic world. So delve into the world of chemical bonding, practice diligently, and conquer your ICSE exams with confidence. Remember, Shiksha Marg 108 is always here to guide you on your academic journey. If you have any questions or require further clarification on chemical bonding, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring the boundless wonders of science and may your chemical knowledge remain ever strong. Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram.